Compassion. What is compassion? Compassion for me is how you care on other people, how you will reflect or how you will help them. Just like, for example, your friend have a problem. What will you do? For me, I will comfort. That means I will comfort my friend. I will going to listen on her problem. It's either she say it or it's either she tells me what's her problem. It's on her. But if she tells her problem, all I gonna do, listen carefully and learn. And after that, my next goal is to say something that will make him little bit comfortable. Just like, yeah, it's alright. Life is like this. You don't need to push yourself. You don't need to become everyone's favorite just to get to know others people. I will make him realize that even the world is cruel, there's something or there's someone that he can trust. Compassion is not just about helping others. Compassion is not just about how you care. Compassion is a feeling. Compassion is an act of kindness. How you will act inside, how you will act outside. Just like in some example, house. How you will act inside your own house. How you will act. Just like example, your mom is cooking. What will you going to do? Of course, help your mother. And of course, help in other tasks. Just like what you do, because compassion is not just all about the thing that no matter what happened, there's something excuse or there's no excuse on something. Because compassion, or should I say, that's the thing that we need to do. Yeah, maybe big problems appears, but in reality, what we need to do is to help each other, help ourselves to become more and more creative or something. You should help other people, just like to become someone's favorite, or should I say someone nothing can appear. Maybe in other time, yeah, compassion glorify, or should I say something that can make you feels right. You just don't need to be someone like kunwari oo, matulungin ka, you will help other, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun mabait ka na, hindi ibig sabihin nun masayo na, hindi ibig sabihin nun is pabot na sayo ang iba. Compassion is how you care, how you will act in other people, how you will act inside and outside. But for now, for other people, first thing first, every bit of decision you make sure na tama yung decision mo. Make sure na wala kang tatapakang tao. Because in other reality, kapag gumawa ka ng decision mo, gumawa ka ng decision sa buhay, gumawa ka ng nag-isip ka, nag-decision ka, nag-decide ka, tapos ang naging resulta mali pala yung ginawa ko. mali yung decision mo sa buhay. Anong gagawin mo? Make your own path. Make the right path. Ganun ba yun? Gagawin mo ba ang itatama mo yung landas mo? Ganun ba? Mali na eh. Mali na yung landas na tinahak mo. So, anong gagawin mo? Mali na. Nasa maling daan ka na. Kumbaga, you were crossing the right path, but you choose to turn away and pick the right and pick the wrong path. Ganun ba? No, di. So, if magdi-decide ka ng maayos. Kasi nasa sa'yo na rin yan. Ang compassion yung nagsisimula yan sa sarili mo, hindi sa ibang tao, hindi sa makapaligid sa'yo. So, kung ganun, make it right, walk in the right path. Ganun lang yun. So, if other people complain, if other people say ganito ganyan, mali yan. Hindi tama yan. If other people says to judge you, no. But you know that you were on the right. Anong gagawin mo? Papakinggan mo ba yun? O hindi? Alam mong nasa tama ka? Alam mong ginagawa mo yung part mo? Pero sinasabihan kang ganito, ganyan. Anong gagawin mo? Decide. Yes, magdi-decide ka ngayon kung papakinggan mo ba sila or mag-i-stick ka sa plano mo. Mag-i-stick ka kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Kasi minsan din pag yung isang tao is pumabor sa iba, pumabor sa desisyon ng iba, kumbaga ganito ganyan, sinabihan ka ng ganito, sinunod mo, tapos mali pala, sino nagkamali? Siyempre ikaw. So anong gagawin mo? Of course, itatama mo yung mga ginawa mo. Itatama mo mga desisyon na mali sa buhay mo. Ganun. Kasi compassion talks about not just for others but for yourself either. Compassion is an act of kindness, care, and love. Every decision you make na may kinalaman sa pagtulong, care, and sa love, you make compassion. Gumawa ka ng compassion. Pwede din, compassion is emotion. Paano ko nasabing compassion is emotion? Siyempre, one example, compassion is kunwari nakapagpaiyak ka. Yeah, for example lang, may umiiyak na bata and hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo. Anong gagawin mo para matulungan yung batang yun? So, mag-came up ka ng idea, patawanin mo. Prepare some jokes para lang tumahan yung bata. Just like helping din, pero using different kind of emotion. Patawa, jokes. Yun, para lang tumahan yung bata or maging para hindi na umiiyak. That's how, for me, that's how emotion and compassion work sa side ko. Pero iba na rin sa iba. Iba ang decision ng iba or iba ang tingin ng iba sa compassion. And every decision you make it right. Don't go sa maling landas na kailangan mong takip. And that's all. Compassion is how you care, how you love, and how you act. Thank you po.